In a surprising turn of events, nothing appears poised to make a significant departure from its signature glyph interface. As enthusiasts speculate, this shift could signal the introduction of groundbreaking features, leaving the tech world buzzing with anticipation. Could the Phone 3 reinvent the user interface, or will it just be a case of innovation without impact? While some fans cherish the minimalist aesthetic of the glyph interface, others welcome an evolution that promises to enhance usability and interaction. Imagine a device that harmonizes functionality with design, setting new standards for smartphone experiences. Users may soon embrace a fresh canvas that reflects their lifestyles while still maintaining the brand's core ethos. As we await official announcements, the future remains uncertain. Will nothing transition towards a functional masterpiece? Or will this be an exercise in creativity without substance? The excitement builds, and one thing is clear: the Phone 3 could redefine what we expect from mobile technology.